Hi guys, in this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok login problem easily and fast. First thing guys, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So or what you wanna do is scroll until you find TikTok, and when you find it, click on it like this. Click on this option to stop the app, and then go to the notifications, disable the notifications and enable them back again. Go back and then click on the storage or the internal storage option right here. Click on clear data and choose delete. Go back and now click on the power usage right here. Now make sure to enable the power consumption alert like this, and go down here, click on force stop again. Now the last thing you want to do is restart your phone, reopen TikTok, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.